The dream of generating sustainable passive income, without dealing with inventory, shipping overhead, or manufacturing delays, is fully achievable today. Welcome back to the Earn Money Hub. In the digital commerce era, learning to sell digital products on Etsy has become one of the most profitable side hustles for creators and digital entrepreneurs. Why? Because digital assets are created once and sold indefinitely. Your profit margins remain exceptionally high, near 100%. In this comprehensive step-by-step masterclass, we will walk you through the essential proven strategies to build a highly successful Etsy storefront from scratch. First, let's address the big question. Why Etsy? Etsy is no longer just a marketplace for handmade physical crafts. It has evolved into a massive, high-intent search engine, driving millions of global buyers actively looking for unique digital assets, with credit cards in hand. When you sell digital assets here, you unlock three major competitive benefits. Number one, zero inventory costs. You never have to worry about warehouse space, printing fees, or physical storage. Number two, instant electronic delivery. Buyers receive their download links immediately after purchase, ensuring high customer satisfaction while you sleep. And number three, absolute global reach. Your storefront stays open 24/7, capturing high-value sales from the lucrative US market and beyond, all on autopilot. Before launching your shop, it is absolutely critical to choose a niche with high buyer demand and low market competition. Here are the top 3 digital product categories achieving the highest sales this year. Category number 1, printables and organization tools. This includes daily planners, budgeting sheets, fitness trackers, and meal planning charts. These assets are in constant demand among busy individuals seeking to organize their lives. Category number 2, design templates and branding assets. Small business owners frequently buy ready-made Canva templates, Instagram post designs, digital business cards, and professional resume layouts to elevate their branding instantly. Category number 3, digital art and educational resources. Think high-quality digital wall art, specialized Procreate brushes, printable flashcards, and activity workbooks for children. Now, let's break down the exact, no-fluff roadmap for launching your automated digital empire. Step 1, conduct thorough market research. Success on Etsy does not rely on guessing, it relies on data. Use advanced keyword research tools to discover exactly what your target audience is searching for. Focus heavily on long-tail keywords with low competition to increase your chances of ranking on the first pages instantly. Step 2, set up your store and build your brand. Create your EtsySeller account and choose a unique professional shop name that clearly reflects your niche. Design a consistent, high-end visual identity with a high-quality logo and banner. The more premium your shop looks, the more buyer trust you will earn. Step 3, create high-quality digital products. Leverage professional design platforms like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or advanced AI creation tools. Always prioritize elite quality, and ensure your files are incredibly easy to edit and use for the end customer. Step 4, optimize your listings for Etsy SEO. To dominate the top of search results, you must optimize for Etsy's algorithm. For titles, use clear, keyword-rich titles and place your most important search terms at the beginning. For tags, use all 13 available tags. Mix high-volume terms with hyper-specific phrases, such as editable digital planner or Canva Instagram templates. For descriptions, write a crystal-clear description that explains exactly what the buyer will receive, how to download it, and explicitly states that this is a digital product and that no physical item will be shipped. Building a highly profitable digital products business on Etsy requires strategic planning, ongoing market research, and continuous SEO improvement. By choosing the right niche, creating high-quality assets, and aligning your store with exact search intent, you can turn your creative skills into a reliable, long-term stream of passive income. The tools are available, the market is ready, and now is the best time to start. As always, we spend days researching algorithms and editing these comprehensive, deep-dive masterclasses to save you thousands of dollars and deliver pure value. If this video brought clarity to your journey, please take the next step. Drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to the Earn Money Hub. Let's build lasting wealth together. See you in the next masterclass.